Hi, Woi.
Hey there, workshop buddy. Ready to build something awesome today?
Okay, come here.
Let me come to you.
Say hello to everyone.
Hey, everyone! Wally is waving its little robot arm at you all. Hope you're having a fantastic day.
The robot supports any language you want to use.
Can you show me a dance?
You got it! Let me bust a move. Woohoo!
Look at me.
Oh, you want me to take a look? I see you. A cool guy in a white t-shirt with a silver necklace giving me a thumbs up. Looking good, partner. It's the project for today.
What is this?
What are you pointing at? Oh, that's a Raspberry Pi. One of my absolute favorite things. It's a tiny computer board you can use for all kinds of cool projects. Are you thinking of building something with it?
Okay, now tell me a joke.
I'd love to tell you a joke. But first, do you want to hear one? Some people aren't in the mood for jokes, so I just want to check.
Yes.
Okay, here's one. Why did the robot go on a diet? Because it had too many bites. Want another one?
Will it rain today?
Do you mean the weather in New York? Let me check. In New York right now, it's 21 degrees Celsius and cloudy. Feels like 23 degrees Celsius. No rain at the moment, so looks good for training. Have a great session.
Let's get started. First, I'll sketch out the robot's outer frame. If you'd like to build one yourself, you can download and print the full-size A4 template from the link in the video description. For the frame, I'm using 1.5mm brass tubing. Bend the brass tubing to match the outline. Make another identical frame the same way. Then solder the joints together. Don't forget to apply a little flux first. Eight 3.2cm pieces. Solder 7 of the pieces onto the bent sections. Then join the two sides of the frame together by soldering them in place. Finally, solder the last piece across the top to complete the frame. For the tracks, I'll be using the chain from a Chains Gear fidget spinner. You can choose any colour you like. I'll take the toy apart and modify it so it can be mounted onto our robot. Apply a little flux, then tin the crossbar of the track axle with a small amount of solder. Solder two 4mm pieces of brass tubing onto it. Do the same on the other side, but make sure it's mirrored. Once it's secured, add a little extra solder to strengthen the joints. I'm using 2 geared motors for this build. The small rear gear doesn't need any modifications. However, we'll need to drill the center hole of the larger front gear slightly wider so it fits the motor shaft. Use a little glue to secure it to the larger gear. And apply a small amount to the motor shaft as well. Attach the motors to the frame by soldering them in place. If you find this step too difficult, using glue is perfectly fine as well. For the robot's brain, I'm using the Seed Studio ESP32S3 Sense. It's a compact board that comes with both a built-in microphone and camera. I'm using 1mm brass wire to connect all the components together. An amplifier module for audio output. You can find the wiring diagram in the video description. Next up is a 1.5-inch TFT display. I separated the display from the PCB. Be careful not to damage the ribbon cable underneath. Then, trim away part of the PCB to make the display module compact enough to fit inside the frame we built earlier. I trimmed the ESP32's antenna slightly, then mounted it behind the display. For the speaker, I'm using an ultra-thin 20 by 14mm model. Then, attach it to the back of the display as well. Finally, stack the 3 layers together like a hamburger. Next, solder the display's ground pin to the ESP32 first. Tilt the display up slightly, then solder the remaining connections. Now I'll connect the antenna to the ESP32 and wire the speaker to the amplifier module. I trimmed a little more of the PCB from the bottom, then slid the entire assembly into the brass frame. Apply a small amount of glue above and below the display to secure it to the brass frame. I connected the amplifier module's power and ground wires. It's time to install the dual motor driver module. The remaining ground connections will all be soldered directly to the brass frame. The metal shell of the ESP32 USB Type-C connector is also connected to ground. Before continuing, plug the device into your computer and upload the firmware from the link in the video description.
Enter the Wi-Fi configuration mode.
Once the firmware is installed, connect to the device over Wi-Fi and complete the setup. You can choose the device's language, voice.
Hey everyone! I'm a girl who really loves to do.
Hey there, I'm a sports-loving boy.
Oh, I sound really cute.
How are you today? I had a really...
And even create a personality for your robot. I describe mine as a cute little companion that sits on my desk. Then, verify that everything is working correctly before moving on.
Hi Wei.
Hey there, it's Wally. Or Wally, if you prefer. What's up, workshop partner? Got any cool projects brewing?
I'm using a power bank charging module to charge the device's battery. Connect the 5-volt output from a charging module to the ESP32 through a small switch. I'm using a 3.7 volt rechargeable battery that's about the size of a AAA battery. Mount the camera at a slight upward angle, right around eye level. I also made a small brass frame to give it a more finished look. Finally, attach the tracks to the robot. I moved the antenna to the bottom so the display doesn't interfere with the signal. I added another battery in parallel for longer battery life and changed the tracks to gold to match the overall design.
Hi Wei.
Hey there, workshop buddy. Ready to build something awesome today?
Okay, come here.
Oh, you want me to roll over? Let me come to you.
Say hello to everyone.
Hey, everyone! Wally is waving its little robot arm at you all. Hope you're having a fantastic day.
Can you show me your dance?
You got it! Let me bust a move. Woohoo! How was that? Spinning left, spinning right, little shuffle forward and back, my signature dance move. Want another round or something else?
Can you move forward and spin around?
You want me to move forward and spin around? Let's do it. Zooming forward and spinning around. How was that? Want me to try something else?
Look at me.
Oh, you want me to take a look? Let me snap a photo. I see you. A cool guy in a white t-shirt with a silver necklace giving me a thumbs up. Looking good, partner. It's the project for today.
Step back and go to sleep.
Okay, heading to sleep mode now. Good night.
Thanks for watching until the end, and I'll see you in the next project.